Hello all. Welcome to Studious Wanderer. In this video, let's prepare tasty and soft set dosa. If you like the video, please do subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Firstly, let's prepare set dosa batter. This batter is different from regular dosa batter. To prepare this batter, let's take 2 cups of idli rice, half cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Wash it for 3 to 4 times. After washing, let it soak for 4 to 6 hours. After 4 to 6 hours, it is soaked well. Now take 1 cup of poha, which is also called as beaten rice or flattened rice. Wash it and add water to soak it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add poha to the bowl. Now transfer everything to the jar and blend it into a smooth paste. Add water in small quantities if required. Smooth batter is ready. Cover it and let it ferment for 8 to 10 hours. After 10 hours, this is how the batter looks like. You can clearly see the air pockets. This indicates that the batter is well fermented. Mix it gently. Take the quantity of batter you want to use and store the remaining batter in the refrigerator. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix it gently. Set dosa batter is ready. Now heat the pan. Pour the batter. Add half teaspoon of oil. Cover and cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. Super soft and tasty set dosa is ready to serve. Enjoy it. By repeating the process, let's make one more set dosa. Serve hot and enjoy this set dosas with tasty tomato chutney. If you want to prepare this chutney at home, please check the link for its preparation in the description below. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Also, please do subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.